Hello and welcome to IW Chicagoland Adventures. Today we're in the Indiana Dunes. We're going to explore a fair bit of the park, and then we're going to head to Michigan to see the Tulip Festival in Holland. It was a fun road trip and cool to see a new national park. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the road trip. Before we know it, we already have navigation troubles.
So we're like right over here. So yeah, I don't think that's very helpful. Let me check my phone. Yeah, probably Google Maps directly is more helpful. Yeah? The most beautiful natural
I know!
Thing of all.
It's a parking lot, it's amazing! Hell yeah! Hello.
Hello. Hey, what's up?
Right, my marks, get ready, go. Oh my God. Oh, that's the craziest. Oh.
After racing up a dune with a terrible camera angle, it was time to head to the other side of the park to run up some more dunes with more terrible camera angles.
Yo, this freight train's gonna barrel past us. Go. 176 feet above Lake Michigan. That's no mountain. No, that shit was steep, and it's all sand.
I mean, that's what makes it hard.
Yeah. Wait, did I start? Oh, I did. Signs up here. $53 million cubic feet of sand. That's Mount Holden. You know what? We could theoretically go down to the lake and run back up.
It's not.
Okay.
After climbing the stairs to Mount Tom, we've completed the 3-dune challenge. Now it's time to head back down to the rental car and head to Mount Baldy.
I need the juice, man. I need the juice. Thank you.
Yeah, you can navigate.
I will navigate, and I will also steal your CarPlay.
Keeping with the theme of this channel, we headed to a fine dining establishment for dinner. 2 tamales and a taco with beans and rice, all for $12 is not a bad deal.
Yo, what's up, man? Yo, you know, every trip has got to go to a fine dining establishment and a Walmart supercenter, right? No? Aw, damn.
After grabbing breakfast from the Walmart Supercenter, we headed to Holland, Michigan, where I did the world's best parallel parking job. We were here to see the Tulip Festival at the Windmill Island Gardens, but it was a total tourist trap and the flowers were kinda dead. And that's a wrap for the trip. The rest of it was just driving the rental car home with a broken floor panel. If you like trips similar to these but with a little more exercise, please like and subscribe to this channel and you can see some runs, bike rides, and maybe even some kayak journeys.